Hi, everyone asking about the detailed facade lighting design, the dynamic lighting. So it's not the complete facade light, I mean only the dynamic lighting, how to make the design in a detail step by step. So we are going to see how to make this kind of effect today. We'll create the design, this kind of effect. As you can see, all this type of effect we are going to create. So for that we have image for the background where we'll create the lights. This is just static lights. I made it in Photoshop. You can make it as well. It's very simple, but we are going to show today how to make the dynamic lights. So for that we need some kind of videos, like this kind of videos we need it to create the effect. Okay, so you normally you can get this all the videos from the YouTube. It's very simple. So I'll show you how to get the videos from YouTube. Let's say we like this effect, it is just some lines. Okay, so you just download the video, just go to the YouTube download video online, and any one of the site. Let's say we'll take this, copy, paste, then we have the video. The video is downloading already. So we have the video already. Now what we need to do is in the FLB, because we are going to create the design in Adobe Animate. So in Adobe Animate they don't have any way to upload the MP4, so we need to make it FLB. So we are going to create the MP4 to FLB. For that you can use the convertio.co. you can just Google it, that MP4 to FLB. You can find a lot of website where you can convert it MP4 to FLB. I prefer this because they are very easy to convert. So let's see, we downloaded the file. So this is the file we downloaded. Now we need to create in FLB. Let's say convert. It's converting. So now it's converted. Let's download the FLB file. As you can see, it's downloaded, because without FLB we cannot play the embedded effect in Adobe Animate. Okay, so I can see. Let's see, it's going to be finished now. Okay, it's done. Let's take it to the folder where we keep all the effect. So here my all other FLB effect, before I follow the same steps and I downloaded all the effect I needed. Okay, so this is the new effect, LED neon lines. Okay, so now start in Adobe Animate. First of all we need to go file, new, then we need to give the size. So just have a look on the image that we are going to create. It's almost a square shape. Okay, so we'll create the file in that way. So let's say we'll keep it 1000 pixel by 1000 pixel. Later on we can modify as per our image size. Okay, so this is our, we already get it, you can see. Now in the layer we'll double click and rename as a image, because we are going to keep the image in this layer. Okay, it is in timeline. Sometimes when you open it there is no timeline. So if there is no timeline, just go to the window. Okay, and you can see timeline here. Then you can keep it anywhere as per your suitable place. Okay, I prefer to keep it here. Oh no, sorry. Sorry for the interrupt. Let's keep it here. Okay, so this is the timeline. So now what we're going to do is file, import to stage. Okay, click Then we need to go to the same folder where we keep all the images. This is our background image, so let's see it. Just drag it. Okay, now you can see the image is a bit smaller. You can click the free transform tools. Okay, then or see, it's when you're clicking, it's increasing in the all side. Okay, so don't do that. Just click the alter in the keyboard, then drag it in any side you want. You can do that. Okay, so now you can see this fit with our background image. Okay, so now image is done. Now what we need to do is we need to understand where we want the light. So when thinking of two lines of this, you can see there is a horizontal line, aluminum profile is there. So we'll use our LEDs in those profile. So we need to show to the client that we are going to show RGB lights in this profile. So for that, what we need to do is we need to create the lines. So for that, now we'll take another new layer. We'll name it lines, or you can say linear, because we are going to write a linear lights. So click in this first. Now take the pen tool. Okay, see, we are going to just take the pen tool, click wherever up to where you can go. Now again click the selection tool. Okay, and again select the pen tool, so it will be deselect automatically. Okay, so in shortcut, it's the selection tool is V and pen tool is P. So you don't need to go every time to the toolbar to select and deselect. So we'll click V and we'll click P. So like this, one by one, we need to create the lines. Of course, it's taking bit times, so you don't need to. I'll show you when it's going to be end. So as you can see, now it's done completely. Okay, now I finished my line tool. Now most important part is now select here. Okay, you can see in the timeline, you can see the complete line is done. And now in the line, we cannot play any kind of videos. So we need to, what we need to do, modify, then go to the shape, then convert line into fills. Okay, so now you can see the line is converted into fills. But one issue, you can see the line is very tiny, very thin line. We might not see a very good effect. So again, we'll click it. We'll go to the modify, shape, and expand fill. So we'll just, let's say we'll make it 1 pixel more. So it's little bit of bolder. Now we can see the light effect much better. So for this kind of effect, like to make it expand or to reduce, you need to understand that where you're making the design, how bold effect you're looking for. So you need to understand as per your requirement. Okay, so I'm just showing in this building what will look nice. So now we have the image, we have the linear. Now we need to import the effect that we created already, FLB. So we'll create another, just click on the image and click another layer. We'll create here effect. So this is our effect layer. Okay, now we'll click it here and let's say file, import video. It will not be import a stage, because import a stage only for the still image or something. When we are importing video, it will be import video. So click import video, and you can see the embedded FLB in SWF playing timeline. So click in that and browse. Okay, so we created the effect FLB because you can see that it's only showing the FLB. So let's say color change. Now we'll see first the color change, how it will look like. Next, finish. Now you can see, so this is the video we have already. Okay, so this is the video. Now we need to cover it because it's not covering the full length. Now click the transform, free transform, click alter and drag it. On the top also cover it full. Okay, now it's covering complete area of the facade. So you can see now if you're playing, the image is also is not here, the linear also is not here. Okay, so what we need to do is just go a bigger timeline, click the image and the linear and click insert keyframe. Okay, so we are clicking insert keyframe to make it timeline little bit of longer. Later on maybe we need to increase again based on our effect. Okay, so now you can see the video is playing but it's not playing to the lights. So what we need to do is click the linear, right button, then you can click the mask. The moment you click the mask, you can see it's become lights. So now let's play the video. As you can see, the light color is changing. It's become a RGB lights now. Okay, so you can see, you can show the first, whenever you're making a dynamic lights, first of all you need to show RGB color change, so client will understand that the light is RGB, and also they can create any kind of effect they're looking for. So now let's see, up to here we are showing it's okay, it's enough for the RGB. Now we'll click again right button into the effect layer. Okay, right button, insert keyframe. It will ask the video will be a start from the here again, so just click yes. Now you can see video is starting from the same where it has started from the beginning. Now unlock the layer. Okay, you can see the video, just click the delete. Now video is gone. Now click again the same keyframe, file, import video, same, all the same step. Now we'll get the video that we downloaded, neon lines. Next, finish. Okay, you can see the video is little bit of bigger. Just drag it, click alter, and you can just make it as per the requirements. Okay, now same procedures, just click, just lock it. Now you don't need to mask it again because layer is already masked, so just lock it, it will be here already. So we can see the effect again. As you can see, it's creating those effect. Okay, so you can see this already. Okay, see the effect is there already. So let's see, we'll keep it up to here. So I think it's enough because we are going to show a several effect. Again, same procedures, unlock, delete the video, again click in same keyframe, go import video, embed it. Let's say we'll check one fireworks effect, or let's say we'll click the red. Okay, just make sure that it's covered the complete lights. Okay, again we'll mask it and we'll play the video to see how it will look like. I can see it's very nice effect. If you're going to do it manually in After Effects or any other software, it's taking whole day. It will not even, in a day it will not be smooth like this. So what we need to do, we need to use some tricks, download the video and use it in your lights. That's it. So let's finish it here. Now I want to finish the complete video here, so just click all the timelines and insert keyframe, then unlock it, just click and delete and delete. Now what we need to do, we need to delete this completely. Because this timeline will make some issues with us because of the videos. So you can see the video length was high. What we do is we'll just click all the layers. So up to here. Okay, we'll click, we'll remove the frames. Okay, so now remove frames. Again lock this both layer. If you will not lock the first both layer, it will not mask. So it's very important to lock the both layers, the mask layer. Okay, so this is the video. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll take it, publish. So let's click publish settings. We need to select the folder. So let's select the folders where we kept. Okay, this is the folders. Let's say facade, lighting, concept, design. Okay, so now we'll take it flash, no need HTML. You can see win projectors in case you want both file you can take. Let's say we'll take it only flash, no need win projector. Say publish. Okay, now let's go to the folder. You can see it's here already, facade lighting concept design as WF. Let's watch it for a while. So you can see it's already created the facade lighting design itself. It's done already, and colors changing, also the other effect. Let's see how it will look like. You can see this complete as per, sorry I don't know what is that video, maybe it was there some text. So you can see this effect. Okay, this is showing as per the video, whatever we uploaded the video is showing the same effect. So you need to select a video very nicely which looks nice in your lighting effect. Okay, so this is very important. When you're sourcing the video, you need to understand that there is some nice effect you're downloading from YouTube which looks nice in your lighting effect. Okay, so now there is one issue is there, sometimes SWF file you cannot upload anywhere, or sometimes client doesn't have the flash. So what you do is either you just convert it in online, or if you don't have a good converters, you just use the screen recorder. What I'm using is online screen recorder. You can use the same screen recorder. Let me show you which screen recorder I'm using. AproSoft free online screen recorder. Okay, you just do the screen record in the same area and you can get the video effect. Okay, so if you have any queries about the anything output or any other issues, can you let me know. So I saved the video same as this one. This is another before I made it. This is also with the screen recorder I make it, and quality doesn't break. It looks fine. You can see this. Okay, so in similar way you can do that. Okay, if you have anything to ask more than that, if you have any issues when making the design or anything, kindly let me know exactly what you're facing the issues, so we can work on it. We can show you how it need to be solved. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.